days on the Manitowish River. Here with Michelle and Zach. Gonna do some camping, gonna do some fishing. It's gonna be a great time. All right, party people, here's the plan. We're gonna be putting in on the Manitowish River just east of Manitowish, Wisconsin, and then we're gonna take it all the way down to the Turtle Flambeau flowage with 2 campsites along the way. This is the most remote section of this river. Once we start heading south, there's not really anything around until we get all the way down to the flowage. This river is kind of interesting so far because it's pretty much like wetland, a little bit set back from the trees so far. Giant spider web, oh my gosh. Yeah, the spiders are flying around this river. We've seen multiple flying spiders already. Lots of twists and turns. Kind of interesting. I also have a very important goal this weekend. I need to catch 2 times the fish I caught on my last trip. And my last trip I caught 1 fish. So the goal is 2. All right, it's showtime. Yeah.
You only got, you gonna dual wheel those?
Well, that settled it. No fish in the river.
That's plenty. That's more than enough.
Let her have this.
This campsite is absolutely mint. It's got these massive old growth pines, which are incredible. I don't know what it is about a big pine tree, but it does it for me. And the view is awesome. It's amazing, actually. We're like really high up off the river. There's so much space. I don't know, it's gorgeous. It's more than I could have expected. And of course, the best part is that you can throw giant sticks off the cliff into the river, so.
Mine went further.
One. Oh gosh, round 2. Woo! Yay!
What's wrong?
Doing andouille sausage and pasta dehydrated meal tonight. It's good at home, so hopefully it's good here. What is Zach eating tonight?
Spicy sausage pasta from Alpine Air. It's expired. It's fine.
There you go, bone apple tea. The meat looks a little scary, but that's okay.
It does.
Ah!
Yeah. How is the meat?
It's all right.
Okay.
I probably wouldn't make this one again.
Yeah, probably not. Oh, look at him go. He's so cute.
Oh yeah. There's these 2 muskrats out there that are swimming around. Yep.
That's cool.
That's it. Bottom is underdone, and the top is overdone.
Nice.
But there's nothing that frosting can't fix.
It's true.
I'm surprised at how little it tasted.
Morning. Slept in pretty good today. Time for some breakfast. How's the coffee this morning, Zach?
Weak. It's not strong enough. We're just gonna keep going.
And how are the space eggs?
They're hollow. It's not good.
It's supposed to be great weather today. Getting up to like 70 or above, which is amazing. Also seeing our first bugs of the season. Or mozzies, as they call them down under. I think we have like a little over 8 miles to do today. We got all day to do it, so. 8.5 miles to go, something like that. Should be pretty easy. Lots more winding turns and twists, but hopefully fish. I want to catch a fish so bad.
So many.
What?
So
Oh,
many little fish.
little minnows?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So there should be.
So fast.
Check out all this nature.
Spiderweb?
No, but a bee.
Oh. This giant tree. The beavers are working on taking it down. I have no idea how it's still standing. Look at that. I made a little pit stop at one of the campsites along the way, just to hang out, do a little fishing and hammocking and whatever. It's another nice spot, very roomy, lots of open space, good view of the river. Unfortunately, I think the one that we're going to is not as good. So it's a good thing we stopped to hang out and enjoy the space a little bit.
What? Who booked this trip? Worst guide ever.
Oh my gosh. Still no fish, but I think the river is getting a little bit better for it. Maybe, hopefully. More rocks, more riffles, stuff like that. So I'm cautiously optimistic. Oh. Maybe 4.5 miles to go for the next campsite. Also, I saw a fish, which is actually probably bad because then I can't use the excuse that there are no fish in the river. But they're here. They're here. Well, we made camp for tonight. It is definitely not as amazing as the other one, but what are you gonna do? Still out here camping, so can't really complain. There weren't really great spots for 3 hammocks. There were a couple of spots where we were able to fit 2, but we had to get kind of creative on the 3rd spot. Regardless though, we're still camping and camping with friends, so it's a good place to be. Oh, and I keep forgetting, but you better believe all these sites have a sweet thunderbox as well. Developing an incredibly uneven burn pattern on my leg because I put on sunscreen, but it was the spray-on stuff and I didn't spread it around. We have officially entered bug season. Guys, this is my friend Jeffrey.
Oh, Jeffrey's going down the crack. Okay, bye, Jeffrey. We're here, we're hungry. Oh, by the way, Jeffrey's back. He's hungry too.
Makes it much more efficient, which is cool.
Yeah! Smell it. Oh, it's good.
So I have these little containers. I got salt, I got pepper, and I got red powdered things. I thought it was paprika, but it's cayenne pepper. And there's now a lot of it in my beef stroganoff.
Zach brought cheesecake in a bag. I don't know, we're gonna try it. It's gotta be vigorous.
Think about the calories.
I'm not.
Dang. Really, it's like a dark chocolate brownie in
There you go.
pudding. It's
Yeah, there you
it's
go.
pretty good.
Ooh, it's real good.
Told you.
Oh, I got one. Fishy. Oh, no, wait, what? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. That's weeds. That's so tragic. I lost my spinner, by the way, so this is the new weapon of choice. I literally just said last cast, and I have a fish on. He's trying to get under that log. Oh my gosh, it's a good fish. It's a good fish. Come on, baby. Come here, boy. No hiding. Oh my gosh, he's good fish. Wow, he's big. Ah! Wow. Oh my goodness. What a beauty. Do you see him? In the light? Wow. I'm so happy. Good fish. Wow. Biggest smallie ever.
Good day today. It's a lot of fun. The bugs are going away, which is nice. It's getting cold enough tonight to get the bugs out of here. I think we're just gonna kind of hang out by the fire for the rest of the night and then turn in. Only one fish to catch tomorrow. That's all we gotta do. We can do it. Made it to our final day. I think Zach slept better.
Yeah.
In his Chipotle burrito. And yeah, it's a beautiful morning. We got sun again. Should be 70 something. Can't ask for much more. Okay, the bugs are out. Somehow already.
Did not take it.
All right, back on the water. The bugs are persistent. They keep following us, but I think they're getting less and less, so that's good. Got like 5.5 miles to the takeout. Gonna enjoy it the whole way. And I gotta catch one more fish. One more. I believe. I believe it can happen.
Strawberry kiwi electrolyte lemonade with caffeine.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
It's
I was expecting lemonade.
Strawberry kiwi lemonade with electrolytes and caffeine.
Hi, it's me. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. And I also want to ask for your help. I have this goal of making it to 1,000 subscribers, and my dog Mac said that he would finally respect me if I did. Again, thanks so much. See you later.
Hello, Mr. Beaver, are you home? How rude.
Things are definitely starting to open up as we're moving into the lake section, kind of now moving into the turtle flambeau flowage. And seeing a lot more trees on the banks, pines and conifers, whatever they are, and birches, and instead of the marshy kind of wetland. Well, party people, we're coming up on the takeout here, so it's a great trip. Really enjoyed it. Still only caught one fish, but I tell you what, that one fish made the whole weekend for me. Really enjoyed this one. Thanks for coming along, and I will see you in the next one.
Boom, 2 fish. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Bye-bye.
I knew you would.